guys, it's me Donna and welcome back to Donna Diaries. So today in Donna Diaries I've come with the 10th episode of one of my series called Donna's Creative Corner. So for this, I'll be showing you guys how to make a Diwali special wall decor. So yeah, let's get started. Materials required are 4 A4 size turquoise colored paper, 1 A4 size yellow colored paper, 2 A4 size red colored paper, 1 A4 size orange colored paper, 4 A4 size white colored paper, then scale to measure, pencil to mark, scissors to cut, and a bamboo stick to make the sticks, and glue to stick. First, to make rods like this, what we have to do is take 25 into 6 centimeters 11 sheets like this, and then you have to take the bamboo stick and then make it into stick by rolling it. So in one end you have to keep it. Then take the glue, and then remove the stick. So like this you have to make 10 of them. So I have already made all the rows, 11 rows. So we have to take 2 rods, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rods, and then keep it like this, like a frame, and then you have to keep equal distance between the pairs, and then the extra 3 you have to stick it at the corners like this, these 3 corners. Okay, and then you should keep it in a diamond shape, so these 3 will face to the down. And so we have stuck all the 11 rods together. 3 will come at the bottom, and then 2 like pair will be in the 4 sides. So this is the main thing you have to make. Now we will see how to make the lamp. The lamp, we need to take 1 red colored A4 size paper, and then we need to take 3 9 into 9 centimeter, and then 3 7 into 7 centimeter. And when we take like that, we will get these. So these are the 3 7 into 7 and 3 9 into 9 centimeter. Now how to make this is, take this and then fold it diagonally. And then we have to draw the half of a lamp like this. And we have to cut it. So after cutting, when you open it, you will get the lamp. So this is how your lamp's base should look. We made all our 6 lamps, 3 big ones and 3 small ones. And since our lamps are looking so plain, we will do some decorations for it. So for that, for the big lamps, I used here 1 into 9 centimeter for their decoration. These ones. And for the small lamp I used 1 into 7 centimeter for their decoration. And also we need the fire. So for that I used, for the big lamp I used 3 into 4, and for the small lamp I used 2 into 3. Come like this. And then we have to stick, and if you want to add any other decoration you can add that too. That we have decorated our all 6 lamps with the fire and the yellow decoration. Also I added 2 strips of white color paper. It's not necessary, if you want you can do, I just did. And this is how your lamp should look. To make the flower we have here 4 9 into 9 centimeter, 4 8 into 8 centimeter, 4 7 into 7 centimeter, and 4 6 into 6 centimeter. So how to make the flower is, take one of each of these 4 sizes to make one flower, and total we have to make 4 flowers. So first fold it diagonally. So first I folded diagonally. Then fold it half. Okay. Once you fold it half, open it. Then what you have to do is take this side and fold it like this. And the same, but remember this should be in this level, don't go out of it or don't come too much inside. Yes. Okay, once you fold it this side and that side, what you have to do is draw a one petal, like how your one petal should look, like that you have to draw. So I want my petal to look like this, so I drew like this. Now I will cut it. Open this. So this is how one layer of your flower should look like. The rest do the same with the rest everything. So we have the 9 into 9 here, 8 into 8 here, 7 into 7 and 6 into 6. So to make the flower, what you have to do is take one of each size for one flower, and then you have to make it like the each petal you have to like make it like this. So keep the pencil in between. So first take the 9 into 9, then you have to stick the 8 into 8 above it, and make sure the petal fills in with the gap of the one below it, like this. It should not be like this, means everything together, it should be like this. Okay, and then you have to same way stick the 6 into 6 above on top of the 7 into 7, not like this, like this. The way the top one fills the gap of the one below it, like this. And then once you stick both separately, stick this to this, so our flower will look kind of like this. So let's stick it. So we have stuck the flower all together, and this is how your flower should look. And we will make the bud next. Same way you have to make this flower for the rest all. So like that we have made all our 4 flowers. Now what we have to make is their bud. So for the bud what we need is, since there is 4 flower, we need 4 7 into 22 22 size 4 orange color sheets. I want my bud to be orange, so I chose orange. It's your preference which color you want. So how to make the bud is, first fold it like half. Once you fold it half, fold it again like this. And now what you have to do is, in any one side you have to like go on like this. I'll show. Only this much. Don't cut the whole thing. This much till the end you have to do. Okay, so once done, like once did all like this. Now then you have to open it and see if anything else is there to cut or everything is cut. So mine everything is cut. And then open it once again. Once opened, you have to stick fly glue and then stick. And fold it. Make sure you don't cut it too much in, so it will be hard to open. And then what you have to do is, once you stick it, you have to roll it from here. Roll it really small. Okay, once applied, what you have to do is open it like this. Okay, so this is how your bud will look like. And take the flower and you have to keep it. If it's too tall, you can cut the bottom part. Have made the bud and we have already sticked it. So same like that you have to do with the rest 3. So our flower is also now ready. Next step is to fix them all together. To stick them all together, first take the rod, then place a flower on the top, then the 3 big lamps which we made, it will go on each corner of this diamond shaped thing. And then you have to take the 3 small lamps which we made, and the tip will be we will stick only the tip of it, and it will come at the bottommost part of the rods sticking down. And then the next 3 flowers will come in the middle of the 3 rods, and this is how you should stick them all together. Now you have to stick and then your thing will be ready. So after sticking everything all together, our Diwali special wall decor is now ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If then, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also turn on those post notifications so you'll be notified every single time when I upload a brand new video. Also go check me out on all my social medias. Link will be down in the description. So see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace